Sustainable weight loss has 5 steps. Here's how we can help you navigate them. Losing weight and keeping it off has no silver bullet. It is about following the right exercise program, applying the right calorie deficit, consuming the right macros and micros, and finally, timing everything together. Our program helps dial in every one of these pillars. Let's start with your exercise program, which needs to be well-rounded and personalized to your biology. There are 3 types of training: resistance, interval, and cardio, and all 3 are important for weight loss. Resistance training is likely the most important one as it prevents your metabolism from slowing down, something that may happen if you start losing weight without doing the appropriate amount of resistance training. Keep in mind that studies have shown that 9 out of 10 diets fail due to metabolic slowdown. Therefore, maintaining a high metabolic rate is one of the most critical things when losing weight. Cardio training includes steady-state exercise in Zone 2. Its main benefit is that it helps your cells become better at burning fat. Interval training is about switching between different intensities, and its main effect is that it helps regulate hormones such as testosterone and maintains healthy lungs and heart. The optimal breakdown among the 3 depends on how to fit your metabolism, cells, and lungs. Our breath analysis device measures that with clinical precision and determines the optimal exercise breakdown. The second pillar of sustainable weight loss is achieving the right calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is a state in which you eat fewer calories than you burn. To figure out how many calories you need to eat, you first need to determine how many calories you burn. Not knowing how many calories you burn can lead you to buffet too many or too few calories. Both can have consequences. Eating too few calories can cause metabolic slowdown, hormone deregulation, low energy levels, and hunger. Eating too many calories can cause you to lose little to no weight. Our device measures your calorie burn and accurately determines the optimal calorie intake for sustainable weight loss. The third step to sustainable weight loss is consuming the right macros. Each person's metabolism is different, and so is the number of fats and carbs our bodies use. Depending on your fitness level, genetics, training, and medical history, you are burning a mix of fats and carbs that is very specific to you. We call this your fuel sources and which one you utilize most. Your personal fuel sources dictates how many fats and carbs you should be consuming daily. Our device measures your fat-carb utilization at rest and accurately determines the fat, carbohydrate, and protein intake that maximizes fat loss. The fourth step to sustainable weight loss is consuming the right micronutrients. Micronutrients are compounds found in the food we eat and include vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. Micronutrients play a vital role in health and weight loss as they support the immune system, improve digestion, improve our mood, increase our metabolism, improve heart and lung function. The optimal dose for each macronutrient depends on the limitations you face. For example, if you have a slow metabolism or impaired lung or heart function. Our device identifies deficiencies in critical areas such as cells, metabolism, heart, lungs, and blood circulation and prescribes the optimal dose based on your limitations. The last step to sustainable weight loss is meal timing. Cutting calories will inevitably lead to feelings of hunger and low energy levels. Meal timing can help you mitigate that. Examples of important meal timing principles are eating during specific time windows, consuming the right macros at the right time, for example, carbs in the morning, consuming the right amount of micronutrients. Our personalized nutrition plan considers all scientifically backed guidelines for managing hunger through appropriate meal timing and builds them into your diet plan. There is no silver bullet for losing weight and keeping it off. Every part of our program plays its role in helping you lose weight sustainably.